Ever wondered what the best chicken breeds for your homestead are? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of chicken breeds. Chickens aren't just a source of fresh eggs and meat, they're also full of personality and can be a real asset to your homestead. But with hundreds of breeds out there, how do you choose the right one for you? Fear not, we're here to help. We'll be exploring the top 5 chicken breeds for a homestead, each with their unique characteristics and benefits. From egg production to pest control and even companionship, these breeds have a lot to offer. And remember, if you're keen to expand your farming know-how, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Ready to discover the best chicken breeds for your homestead? Let's dive right in. Starting our list is the Rhode Island Red, an American classic. This breed has earned its place in the poultry world and in the hearts of farmers across the globe, thanks to its trifecta of appealing traits: hardiness, egg production, and friendly nature. Rhode Island Reds are renowned for their toughness. These birds are known to weather harsh climates, whether it's the biting cold of New England winters or the scorching heat of southern summers. Their resilient nature makes them a popular choice for those new to chicken keeping, as they require less pampering than some other breeds. But don't let their hardiness fool you. Rhode Island Reds are also known for their prolific egg-laying capabilities. On average, a healthy hen can produce up to 6 to 7 eggs per week. These are usually medium to large-sized eggs with a rich brown color. So, for those of you looking to get a steady supply of homegrown eggs, Rhode Island Reds won't disappoint. In addition to their hardiness and egg-laying prowess, Rhode Island Reds are also famously friendly. They are known to be sociable and get along well with their coop mates. While they may not be as cuddly as some other breeds, their easygoing nature makes them a joy to have around the homestead. Now, a bit about their history. Rhode Island Reds originated in the state of Rhode Island, hence the name. They were developed in the late 19th century and quickly gained popularity for their versatility. These birds were the go-to choice for many American farmers throughout the 20th century, and they continue to be a favorite today. What makes them a good fit for a homestead, you ask? Well, their hardiness means they can adapt to various environments and weather conditions, their egg-laying capabilities ensure a steady supply of fresh eggs, and their friendly nature makes them easy to handle and a pleasure to be around. Plus, their rich, reddish-brown feathers make for a beautiful addition to your yard. So if you're after a hardy, friendly bird with good egg production, Rhode Island Reds could be the breed for you. Next up, we have the Sussex chickens, a breed known for their versatility. Originating from the historic county of Sussex in England, this breed is as old as time. With their roots tracing back to the Roman times, Sussex chickens have been a staple in many homesteads for centuries. Their longevity is a testament to their adaptability and robustness, making them a reliable choice for any homesteader. One of their most appealing traits is their excellent egg production. A Sussex hen can lay up to 275 eggs a year. That's almost an egg every day. And they're not just prolific layers, their eggs are large and rich, perfect for any egg dish you can imagine. But Sussex chickens aren't just about the eggs. They're also famed for their meat. With a good-sized carcass and a reputation for delicious flavor, Sussex chickens are a dual-purpose breed, providing both eggs and meat for the homestead. This makes them a cost-effective choice for those seeking to maximize their poultry's productivity. Now let's talk about their temperament. Sussex chickens are known for their calm and friendly disposition. They're easy to handle and generally get along well with other birds. This makes them a great choice for families with children or for first-time chicken keepers. When it comes to climate, Sussex chickens are as tough as they come. They can adapt to both cold and warm climates thanks to their dense feathering. Whether you live in the sunny south or the chilly north, Sussex chickens can thrive in your backyard. In terms of appearances, Sussex chickens are quite the lookers. They come in various colors including white, red, and speckled. Their vibrant plumage adds an extra dash of charm to any homestead. In conclusion, Sussex chickens are a versatile breed that offers excellent egg and meat production, a calm disposition, and adaptability to various climates. They're a breed steeped in history, and their long-standing popularity is a clear indication of their quality. If versatility is what you seek, Sussex chickens won't disappoint. Our third breed is the Plymouth Rock, a true dual-purpose champion. This breed has a long-standing history of being a reliable source of both eggs and meat, making it a versatile addition to any homestead. The Plymouth Rock chicken, often known as the Barred Rock for its distinctively striped plumage, hails from the United States, where it has been a favorite among farmers since the 19th century. Its striking black and white barred feathers not only make it an attractive bird, but also serve as a form of camouflage against predators. This breed's beauty, however, is more than just feather deep. Plymouth Rocks are known for their balanced production of both eggs and meat. A healthy hen can lay approximately 200 eggs per year, providing a steady supply of fresh eggs for the table. On the other hand, their substantial size, with roosters often weighing up to 9 pounds and hens up to 7 pounds, makes them an excellent source of meat. This dual-purpose nature makes Plymouth Rocks a practical choice for those looking to maximize their homestead's output. But these chickens offer more than just productivity. They're also known for their friendly, easygoing nature. Plymouth Rocks are generally calm and docile, making them a pleasure to raise. Their gentle temperament makes them suitable for families with children and for first-time chicken keepers. They adapt well to confinement but also enjoy free-ranging, adding to their versatility. Furthermore, Plymouth Rocks are hardy birds, capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions, which adds to their suitability for a variety of climates. They're also known for their long lifespan, often living up to 10 to 12 years, making them a long-term companion on your homestead. In summary, the Plymouth Rock chicken is a breed that offers an ideal balance of productivity, beauty, and temperament. Its dual-purpose nature, friendly disposition, attractive plumage and hardiness make it a suitable choice for both novice and experienced chicken keepers. For an all-rounder, consider adding Plymouth Rock chickens to your flock. Fourth on our list is the Orpington, a breed known for its mothering instincts. Originating from England in the late 19th century, Orpingtons were bred with the intention of creating a dual-purpose bird, one that is proficient in both egg-laying and meat production. This makes them a great choice for those of you running a homestead, as they provide a consistent and versatile source of food. One of the standout traits of Orpingtons is their good egg production. These birds are reliable layers, producing an average of 200 eggs per year. Their eggs are large, brown, and of excellent quality. But it's not just about the eggs. Orpingtons are also known for their broodiness. These chickens have strong mothering instincts, often adopting other chicks and eggs as their own. This trait makes them a valuable addition to any flock, especially if you're planning to expand. On top of all that, Orpingtons are known for their gentle and friendly nature. They have a calm demeanor, and are often very affectionate towards their owners. This makes them not only a practical choice for a homestead but also a joy to have around. Their soft, fluffy feathers come in a variety of colors from black and blue to buff and white, adding a touch of beauty to your backyard. In conclusion, Orpingtons are an all-around great choice for any homestead. Their good egg production, broodiness and friendly nature, along with their history as a dual-purpose bird, make them an ideal breed. If you're looking for a mother hen, look no further than the Orpington. Last but not least, we present the Leghorn, a breed that's all about eggs. Originating from Italy, the Leghorn chicken has become a favorite among homesteaders and commercial farmers alike, and for good reason. This breed is a superstar in egg production, laying an impressive 200 to 300 white eggs per year. But it's not just the quantity of eggs that sets Leghorns apart, it's also their size. Despite being a medium-sized chicken, Leghorns lay large eggs, providing a bountiful yield for any homestead. Leghorns are also known for their active and hardy nature. They are excellent foragers, which not only keeps them healthy but can also help reduce feed costs. Plus, their feathering is light, which allows them to adapt well to various climates, making them a versatile choice for homesteads in different regions. Beyond their practical benefits, Leghorns have an interesting history. This breed was first imported to America in the early 19th century and quickly gained popularity due to its prolific egg-laying abilities. Since then, they've become a staple in both small-scale and commercial poultry farming. If you're looking for a breed that can provide a consistent supply of eggs, the Leghorn is a solid choice. Their active nature and adaptability to different climates also make them a joy to raise, offering a rewarding experience for any homesteader. For egg-laying prowess, you can't go wrong with Leghorns. And there you have it, 5 fantastic breeds that could be perfect for your homestead. Each breed has its own unique set of attributes that make them stand out. Rhode Island Reds, known for their hardiness and high egg production. Sussex Chickens, a breed that is not only friendly and easy to handle but also gives you a steady supply of eggs. Plymouth Rock Chickens, a breed that's dual-purpose, providing you with both meat and eggs. Orpington Chickens, with their sweet temperament and good egg-laying capabilities, are perfect for those looking for a backyard pet that also contributes to the homestead. And finally, the Leghorn chickens, a breed that's known for their exceptional egg-laying prowess. As you plan your chicken flock, we hope you'll consider these breeds. Their unique characteristics could be the perfect addition to your homestead, bringing both productivity and joy. Thanks for tuning in to Farming Knowhow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with your fellow chicken enthusiasts. Until next time, happy farming!